if it isn't my big brother descending from on high to mingle with the commoners.
Sarabi and I didn't see you at the presentation of...
Rummy.
That was today? Oh, I feel simply awful. Must have slipped my mind.
Yes, well, as slippery as your mind is, as the king's brother, you should have been first in line.
Well, I was first in line, until the little hairball was born.
That hairball is my son, and your future king.
Oh, I shall practice my curtsy.
Don't turn your back on me,
Yak.
Oh, no more.
Paxa.
Perhaps you shouldn't turn your back on me.
Is that a challenge?
Temper. I wouldn't dream of challenging you.
Pity. Why not?
Well, as far as brains go, I got the
Rat.
lion's share, but when it comes to brute strength, I'm afraid I'm at the shallow end of the gene pool.